They said it's a smooth ride, little. Did they know the smoothest part ended at the intersection, or the drivers proving that the road to success is paved with fender benders? Buckle up, folks. Today we're taking a crash course in what not to do behind the wheel. Let's go! How much longer will it take for the customer's vehicle to arrive? Carrier Co. Well, it's going to take a little longer than expected.
Briefing set, still scribbling, not sounding at all annoyed.
Did anyone call 91 on the first hit? If the driver had been more careful and slower, there wouldn't have been a second hit. Poor guy. Here we see a Mercedes SUV driver who failed to stop at a two-way stop intersection. By her own admission to the cops, she did not see the bright red stop sign, nor did she apparently see the bright orange Camaro for that matter. I'm not sure if the driver should be more worried about the dent in his car or the hole in his wallet from the repair bills. Penultima tries to cut off cars and change lanes, but loses control and hits the median and flips over. That's a miracle. No one else got hurt. Driver was traveling at a high speed and crashed into a parked car, totaling both the Civic that it hit and the Infiniti parked in front of it. I hope the driver of the speeding car is held accountable for their actions.
Holy shit!
That car was out of control. This can happen to anyone, so please share this video to keep them safe. Maybe it's time to add clearer signage, or even a flashing light at that intersection to make it safer for everyone. Another day, another reckless driver. Little people learn it's not worth the risk. When you wanted to take a shortcut but ended up auditioning for a stunt double role instead.
These people are...
And here we see two cars engaging in a friendly game of bumper cars. Except this isn't an amusement park. I guess they were just trying to give the other driver a side, if chaos. Well, But that's one way to get a really good look at the other driver's insurance card. That was less of a hit and run and more of a hit and sprint. That car was moving faster than my motivation to go to the gym. Be careful, guy. It's alarming how often rear-end accidents happen due to lack of focus. Let's prioritize our attention while driving to keep everyone safe. This is why we need stricter penalties for reckless driving. Can you guess what happens next? It's okay. There's probably only one Subaru bus in your entire city, so look for it and you'll find your perch. A good video for everyone to take a look at, and it would be even better if it were shared. The crash on 40th involving the Mazda 3 was a stark reminder of how dangerous highways can be, especially with large trucks on the road. I hope everyone involved was able to recover. Wow, that must have been quite a shock for the car driver. It's always important to see alerts, especially in busy areas like Blackstock Road. Early morning and the sun was rising right ahead. I don't think the driver was distracted. The camera's driver must really be proud of his luck. This day is a combination of a bad day and a good day. I wonder how confident is the driver in his ability to drive on a wet road at that speed. This is what we call solid driving.
That's what you get! All on video, buddy!
Anything versus train never ends well. She knew it would be a long and hard day.
No! I heard nobody else here! No! You are! You're in a crosswalk! I have the right of way! Move!
This week brought me two surprises. The first was my son, and the second was this. Another reminder, slow down and wait for the truck to go by. This incident was said to be caused by speeding in a race.
Back up.
Me after a terrible morning cup of coffee. Another incident caused by switching lanes without being aware of anything coming before. I can even do better with my 2 days kung fu.
Oh, this bus driver on. Bro, what the f is this nigga on, bro? Bro, this nigga.
This guy was trying to stop the other car from leaving after it bumped into his earlier, just to avoid a fender bender. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.